I'm going to tell you exactly how I made my first $40,000 online. And no, I didn't invest in crypto, it wasn't dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or any other complex business model with an extremely high failure rate. It started when I was just sitting at my laptop, honestly just frustrated. Frustrated because I had been trying to figure out this whole make money online thing for way longer than I wanted to admit. I had tried a bunch of stuff, every business model you can think of, and every single time I felt like a hamster spinning in its wheels. Nothing was clicking. And that wasn't even the worst part. The worst part was that I couldn't even see a path forward. I couldn't see how any of it was actually going to work out for me. I was really worried. I couldn't even sleep. And then I stumbled upon something that changed everything. And it wasn't some secret, it wasn't some underground new crypto hack that nobody talked about. It was actually stupidly simple. I created a YouTube channel. I built one offer, a high-ticket program, something I could sell for real money, not like a $5 ebook, not like some $20 course, a real program that would help people priced at a premium. And I used that YouTube channel to drive people to that offer. That's it. That's literally what I did. My first real high-ticket sale was for $1,000. Like, I remember just staring at my phone when I saw the notification. I went on my Stripe and I just kept staring at it because I couldn't believe it. A stranger had paid me $1,000. Just like that. And then the second sale came, then the third, and by the time I crossed my first $40,000, I realized something really important. I hadn't done anything genius. I hadn't done anything that you can't do. I had just picked the right vehicle, built something people actually wanted and were willing to pay for, and I stayed consistent long enough for it to work. I mean, look at how many videos were uploaded to this channel only, and I have multiple channels. The vehicle was YouTube. The product was a high-ticket digital product, and the system that connected them was simple. You put out content that helps people. You build trust, and when they're ready to go deeper, when they need your help, some people buy from you. That's it. That's the entire business model summed up. And I want to break it down for you today so you understand exactly how it works and exactly how you can copy it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, so here's where I need to be real with you for a second, because I know a lot of people are going to watch this video and think, alright, that sounds great, but why hasn't it worked for me yet? And I want to answer that question directly. Most people think making money online has to be super complicated, or it has to take forever. They think that there's some secret code they haven't cracked yet, some strategy they're missing, some guru they haven't found. And sure, you might lack knowledge, but here's what I've learned after coaching over 100 people through this exact process. The problem is almost never complexity. It's not that it's too difficult. The problem is that people think it's complicated, when in reality, it's just slow. And there's a massive difference. Think about it like this. Imagine you're driving from New York all the way to Los Angeles. It's a long drive, right? It's gonna take you days. But the road is there, the path is clear. You're not lost, you're just driving. Now imagine if halfway through that drive, you pulled over and said, "This isn't working. I've been driving for 2 days and I'm still not in LA." And then you just got out of the car and you walked away. You rage quitted. That's what most people do when they're trying to build an online business. They stop right in the middle of the journey and they call it a failure. The reality is, this stuff works. You can print money online and it won't give you a freedom that no job could ever give you. But it might work on a timeline that most people aren't willing to accept. I mean, let's face it, we live in a world where everything is instant. Instant delivery, instant streaming, instant results. And when you start a YouTube channel or a digital product business and you don't see results in the first week immediately or after you post your first video, your brain starts telling you it's not working. But it is working. It's just working slowly. And slow progress is still progress. Here's what I tell the people I coach. The people who make it are not the smartest people. They're almost never the most talented people. They're not even the people who started with the best idea. We all have shitty ideas, like, let's face it. The people who make it are the ones who refuse to quit before it clicks. That, I can guarantee, is the only real differentiator. Now let me tell you why YouTube specifically is the vehicle I chose and why it's the best one available to you right now, whether you want to be on camera or not. Think about every other social media platform for a second. Instagram, TikTok, X, which is Twitter. What do they all have in common? You stop posting, you stop growing. The second you take a break, the algorithm punishes you. Your reach drops, your engagement drops, and you're basically starting over every single time. It's like you're running on a treadmill or like a hamster running in its wheel. You're putting in all this effort just to stay in the same place. YouTube works completely differently. YouTube is the only major platform where your old content keeps working for you long after you made it. A video you post today could be driving views, building trust, getting you leads, and even sales 2 years from now. This is actually insane when you think about it. It's like having digital real estate working for you all the time. You put in the work once and it pays you over and over and over again. So you're no longer running on a treadmill, you are building an actual asset. And building assets, if you know anything about wealth building 101, it's how you build wealth. Now, here's the part that I think is really exciting for you specifically. It's great if you want to build a personal brand, but you don't have to be on camera necessarily to make this work. A faceless YouTube channel where AI does the heavy lifting is a completely legitimate and honestly really powerful way to build this. I've seen people build channels in niches they're passionate about without ever showing their face, without ever recording their voice. And guess what? They're generating consistent income every single month from it. The barrier to entry is lower than it's ever been. The tools exist right now to make this accessible to almost anyone. And the business model on top of it is what makes it powerful. YouTube brings the audience. Your high-ticket offer converts that audience into real money. That's the combination. That's why this works. I want to tell you about one of my students. I'm not going to use his real name, so let's call him Marcus. Marcus came to me about a year ago. He was super motivated, super hungry to build a business, break free from the whole 9-to-5 grind. He wanted to build a YouTube channel but stay anonymous, and he had a great niche and he got started. And for the first 3 months, he was killing it in his effort, showing up, posting consistently, almost daily, building the foundation. And then month 4 hit, and he had, I think, like maybe 200 subscribers, no sales just yet. And he sent me a message that honestly I've received from so many people at the exact same stage. He said, I don't think this is working for me. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. This isn't for me. And I told him one thing. I said, Marcus, you're 3 feet from gold. Don't drop the drill. You might have heard that metaphor before. It comes from a story about a gold miner who spent months digging, and when he finally gave up and sold his equipment, the guy who bought it dug just 3 more feet and hit the biggest gold vein in the area. 3 feet. That's how close the first guy was. And that's how close most people are when they quit. I told Marcus to give it 90 more days. Just 90 days, no quitting. And he did it. And at the end of those 90 days, he started getting his first sale, then his second. And now, he's well past what he thought was possible when he almost gave up. In fact, last time I checked, he was consistently making $5,000 a month in product sales from the channel. This is the most common story I see. I've coached over 100 people at this point, and the number one reason people fail, the absolute number one reason, is not because they're in the wrong niche, it's not because they're using the wrong strategy, especially if they have a mentor, and it's not the algorithm, it's quitting too soon, every single time. Like, think about this for a second. If you wanted to make $10,000 a month with a regular career, you would need like decades of work. You'd need to study, then probably climb the corporate ladder for decades, yet somehow people expect to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in 1 week on YouTube. It's not gonna happen unless you get extremely lucky. But luck isn't a business model. You wanna work as hard as you can, do as much as you can, so that through volume, you make your own luck. But you can't just do it one time and hope that, oh, you get lucky all of a sudden. The people who fail are the people who stopped just before it would have worked. And that is honestly the saddest thing I see in this space, because the solution is just to keep going. So if you're in that place right now, where you feel like it's not working, you're putting in the effort, I want you to hear me clearly. I've felt this way many times in my life, and then it worked great. It is working. You just can't see the results yet, so keep going. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me actually show you what this system looks like in practice, because I don't want this to just be abstract inspiration. I want you to walk away from this video understanding the actual mechanics. Step 1 is your offer. You need something to sell, and I'm not talking about a cheap ebook or a $27 course. I'm talking about a real program, something priced at $500, $1,000, $2,000 or more. Something that delivers real transformation for the person who buys it. High ticket is the game here, because the math just works out so much better. You don't need to sell 1,000 units of something cheap. You need 10, 20, 30 people to say yes to something valuable. That's a business that's actually manageable. You can go low ticket if you want, there's nothing wrong with it. But if you can go high ticket, it's definitely quicker to get the big bucks, simply because you earn a lot more upfront per client. Step 2 is your YouTube channel. This is your traffic machine. This is where people find you, watch you, start to trust you, and eventually want to buy from you. And like I said, this can be completely faceless. You don't need to be on camera, absolutely. It's completely up to you. AI tools right now can handle scripting, voiceovers that sound actually human, editing, thumbnails, a lot of it. The actual time you need to put in to run this kind of channel is genuinely like minimal compared to what most people assume, and compared to what it was like a few years ago without all the AI tools. Not to mention back then it was expensive, nowadays it is extremely cheap. Step 3 is your funnel. And I know that to some people, funnel sounds like some big scary marketing word, but all it means is the path someone takes from watching your video to buying your product. A simple funnel might be watch video, click link in description, watch a short training, or read a page that explains your offer, and then either buy or book a call. That's it. You don't need a complex tech setup or a website that looks like apples. You just need a clear path. YouTube brings in the leads, the potential customers. Your offer converts them. Your funnel connects the two. And I'll tell you this, the people who overcomplicate it are the ones who never get started. So keep it simple. Build a funnel and then iterate, make it better over time. But get the basic version running first. So let's talk about you specifically, because everything I just walked you through, the YouTube channel, the high ticket offer, the funnel, none of it is exclusive to me. I didn't invent this. I just found it, implemented it, and stayed consistent long enough for it to work. And you can do the exact same thing. It doesn't matter if you want to build a personal brand, where you're on camera, sharing your own story and expertise, or if you'd rather stay completely behind the scenes with a faceless AI channel in a niche you're passionate about, but don't necessarily want to build a personal brand around, like you don't want to be the face of the brand. Both models work, and I've seen them both work at a very high level. I'm talking millions of dollars per year in profit. So the choice is just about what you want to do, what feels right to you. And you can even do both. Now start with one, don't do both at the same time. But then, later on when you expand, when you scale, you can do both. I have faceless channels. But what matters the most right now is that you actually get started. Because here's the thing I see over and over again. People spend months consuming content about how to make money online, or how to sell digital products, whatever. They watch video after video. They take notes. They feel motivated. And then they don't do anything. And then they watch some more videos. And the cycle continues. And a year later, they're still in the exact same spot. Still watching, still learning, still not making any money online, still trapped in a job they hate. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is not more information. You probably already have enough information to start something right now, today. The gap is action, consistent, imperfect action over a long enough period of time. That is what builds the business. That's what generates the income. That's what made me my first $40,000 online. Now, you're not going to make $40,000 in your first month, except if you get extremely lucky, but don't count on it. I didn't. Nobody I know did. But if you build the right system, you stay consistent, and you refuse to quit before it clicks, the results will come. I've watched it happen with my own students enough times to know that it's not luck at this point. It's not talent. It's just the process working the way it's supposed to work. When you do business right, business is simply mathematics. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.